where we are not so dependent on the forms of existence that we freak when it changes, that we freak in the presence even of increasing chaos. Because it's going to be at that moment where those people who have some tiny degree of equanimity will be that thing around which can coalesce a shift that is healing instead of ultimately destructive.
I found you at the window again, looking out, watching the leaves falling in. Then you were something like a dream. Oh, so perfect, couldn't talk to me. The time moves slow when you're all alone. And the time moves slow when you're out on your own. And the time moves slow when you're missing a friend. And the time moves slow when you get to the end. Running away is easy, it's the leaving that's hard. Running away is easy, running away is easy, it's the living that's hard. And loving you was easy, it was you leaving that's hard.
You spend all day on the phone anyhow, why don't you?
Burned down. I'm off the Kodo, I'm off the top, I'm off some pot, I'm off some rock, I'm off a lot. They gave me 10 days.
I had myself up in a choke. Get grown, treat the blunt like it's a vitamin. To most events, I'ma show up uninvited in. Got a mission, you can't play me like no violin. Crossing any mountain, Lord aspiring.